have a farm, our whole world is crashing around us. Farm life doesn't stop for tragedy. When all I wanted to do was shut the world out, the animals needed me. We're pretty sure that Grace is going to be having the baby shortly. Girls love riding bareback. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So last night we got a phone call that I never wanted to get, and we unfortunately, we unfortunately lost someone in the family unexpectedly. And the only reason I'm sharing it is because there's so much stuff going on in the world right now. My one wish is just that everyone can recognize that every day is a gift, and whatever is going on in your life, just, I don't know, spend each day with purpose and kindness and reaching out to those that you love, and not to take anything for granted, because we don't know when we're not going to have that opportunity. The other thing that I came to realize today is just that it doesn't matter what's happening in our lives. When you have a farm, whether there is a storm, whether you're sick with the flu, or if our whole world is crashing around us, farm life doesn't stop for tragedy. The animals are still here, and so we have to pick ourselves up. And today, when all I wanted to do was shut the world out, the animals needed me. We have been waiting for Grace to have this baby. We have been checking on her nonstop, and today she finally starts looking like she's gonna have the baby. And so I had to pull myself together and get out here and just get the pen cleaned up one last time to make sure that the babies are gonna have clean bedding to come into the world. And it was the last thing I wanted to do, let me tell you. But Scott's at work, the girls are on school, and needed to get done. So it's one of the things that's the worst part about farming. Life doesn't stop because everything is maybe falling apart. And in a way, it's also one of the best things, because it's oddly healing to be out here with the animals and getting ready for a new life to come into the world. And the animals know, like Charlotte comes over and she knows I'm sad, and she's like trying to like give me a kiss. I am in the goat pen because this time we're pretty sure that Grace is going to be having the baby shortly. She started showing signs last night of separating herself, groaning a little bit. Charlotte started getting a lot more protective of her, not letting Lily and Ollie go near her. She's getting up, she's lying down, she's shifting around, she's uncomfortable. So fingers crossed this is actually it. She's not started active labor or anything yet, so I just want to do a quick clean and make sure everything's as fresh as possible before she goes into labor. Just give her fresh bedding and get everything nice and cleaned up. So let's go do that. So funny enough, I think she was faking because she's fine now. I've been out here for hours with her, getting the stall ready, keeping an eye, and I don't know, nothing now. Babies are moving. I can see them. She did help me feel better though. See, one of the worst things about farming and one of the best. Farm life doesn't stop for anything.
You're okay.
Loving me was all you tried when you were around. I've been told too many times now. Yeah, loving me was all you tried when you were around. I've been told too many times now. But
Guinea just walking in the arena. Can go anywhere right now, but here's where it wants to be. Look, he's not spooking at all.
Does he want a canter?
He always tries to go like freaking do a canter, and I know when he tries.
I know, I saw you like one of them.
I know exactly when he's about to try.
looking for a new start. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down. Looking for a new start. Can't you see that I just need to be by myself? I have told you many times now. Yeah, can't you see that I just need to be by myself? I have told you many times now.
Why are we cutting corners everywhere? And again, what's happening? Like, go right in your corners.
For a new start. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down, don't wanna be stuck in this town. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down. Looking for a new start. Looking for a new start. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down. Looking for a new start. Yet somewhere going high.
I jumped there.
You jumped bareback! No, plotting that.
Hurry up. Yo, it's so fast. Wow, jumping no hands bareback.
You literally almost knocked it, and the first time you did knock it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
All right, go get Stevie. Yes, I know.
Okay, hop off.
Yeah.
I only went down once. Oh God, this feels. Oh.
Girls love riding bareback. It's usually when they're cooling out.
After a while, you sort of get used to it, but I mean, it feels good because you can just feel the spine.
All right, post. Practice your posting.
You gave me a leg up.